carnival is open. We just finished stringing the cardinal from the rope, and the poles and the hooks of the tent, to sound crash and packed in 10 cents from materials dense. My cereal complex does just in itself. It morphs and it melts and it sways and it tilts, and it's built of a techie type prototype with a savagely faulty radar gun and headlight. When midnight strikes, all these madmen might strike hammer side strikes and box you in with pipes.
Monstrosity that exists to kill. Whispers of a mind gone mad with twisted skill. A sinful dwarf with even more sinister servants. You're dealing with highly intelligent life form that's observant in this carnival of souls. Spine tingling, pulse pounding, feast with jungle beasts that adapt to their surroundings. Battlefields awash with blood, corpses, and error. I'm your host, wizard of gore and terror. Erotic and brutal visions of unspeakable horror. You're driving off a cliff in a black tinted explorer. Wishmaster, hellraiser, angelic elegance, spirit warrior soldiering through unknown terrain with 9 delegates slanted, planted my flag, now I'm relevant. Crimes of inspiration, passion will surely flourish. Cherish the purely nourished, perish from hurling courage. Beware of the swirling current of blood curling deterrent. Once again I'm left stranded amongst thieves and masked bandits abandoned, rapidly rattling off at the mouth at random. The last desperate attempt to soar with raging angels, a frightening excursion of my ultimate fantasy.
Raise the bounty on the county jester, and raise the level on the fairground walkers in the skies of a leopard. The quest for shield crest is fought in shallow waters, and the world's lightest vehicles float on scouts' honors. Air bombers occupy a much calmer reply in a steel-lidded sky that growls like octopi. My optical relies on what lies and what truths are produced on written ink stamps from here to Beirut. They shoot anything that moves and beat blacks on mopeds as the parliament parlays amongst Tories and Socreds. Left the ocean floor so red from expansion of land mass, it runs velvet when shores are melted and depleted of grass. My life task completes the path, word to those who wore masks to survive the late coming and arrival of the crash. As the murder of crows flows south like dark cloaks, as am I unswayed prevail, the periodical post.
Nádherná práce, Bahradě Olomouc, 18 let, mezi sponzory, takhle napsáno babička, takže díky babi, podívej jak se bolámka. Pán jste na fanboxu, buď to zdravě a to pěti kilo, vždycky si tady uvádí za sponzora.